Hi everyone, my name is Jason Dave M. Gomez, BSBA 1A. My topic is the style of professional writing. Professional writing. A professional writing is a style of writing that is clear, concise, and seeks to convey information and ideas quickly. It aims to build goodwill. According to Kitty Locker and Donna Kienzler, from 2013, in business and administrative communication, effective professional writing is reader concerned, emphasizes the positive, and uses bias-free language. Adopting a professional style means adopting a reader perspective in writing. According to Locker and Kienzler, U attitude is defined as a style of writing which look at things from the reader's point of view. It emphasizes that what the reader wants to know, respecting the reader's intelligence, and protecting the reader's ego. I attitude and U attitude. I attitude. If you can answer any of your queries, I'm perfectly willing to do so. While U attitude, if you have any questions, please ask. I attitude, we delivered the order to the provided address this morning. While U attitude, your order was shipped to your address this morning. I attitude,